Okay, so these are the Hollyland Lark A1s. They're a wireless lavalier microphone combo is what I got. And so it's got the lightning and USB-C, and I'm gonna show you what's inside. So it's pretty straightforward. Here's all their warranty information here and the microphone case, and I'll take that out. Okay, so right now I've got some background noise. I'm crumpling up this paper and clothes are getting washed in the background. I'm just doing a microphone test on the new Hollyland Lark A1s, which are these right here. Normally I use the Lark M2s. And so what I'm gonna do is actually plug in this receiver here that you can see, and I'm going to use one of these microphones. Now these are really tiny, and you've probably seen a lot of me talking about them already, but I'm just gonna wear one of these and plug into here. Now these will auto sync. You can see it's already synchronized, it's already on. So once I plug this receiver in, this is going to sync up with the receiver and start to transmit audio to the receiver to my phone. And this is just the stock sound coming straight from this microphone, no dead cat or anything. I'm gonna turn on the noise cancellation, and the way you can tell that's on is the green light right there. I'm just recording this on my phone to show you what the lightning adapter or receiver looks and sounds like, and you know, basically how this works, just doing a sound test on it. So hopefully you guys are able to determine whether or not you like this microphone. So let me go ahead and turn noise cancellation off again, which now it should be off. And so this is the Hollyland Lark A1 with no active noise cancellation on, which gives you 9 hours of battery life. You might even be able to hear the bag crumbling in the background and the dishes or the laundry, wow, the washing machine. You might even be able to hear the washing machine in the background. And now I'm gonna unplug it to show you what it sounds like without it. And so now I'm recording. I've got the transmitter and receiver here in my hand, and this is just the built-in microphone for the iPhone 14 Pro Max. So the cool thing about these microphones is that there are 3 levels of noise cancellation. So this is a 9-hour duration that is with noise cancellation off. And if noise cancellation is on, then you get 6.5 hours out of these. And so the charging case, it's a 54-hour marathon battery. So that gives you 54 hours. It's basically, you can charge these devices 2 times to a full charge. So the cool thing is, and I want to test this, is 200 meter range. And so that's 650 feet of transmission range with the Lark A1s. This also says that there is EQ and reverb adjustment. You've got some EQ presets. So these are super light, and they're way more discreet than, you know, the round Lark M2s. So it looks like it's got a nice little rubberized area here that actually makes it easier to push onto the top of this microphone. And you don't have to try to stretch some material over the top of this. It just pushes on nice and easy and snug over the top of that microphone, just like that. This is gonna help block out a lot of wind noise if you're outside or even inside with areas that have a lot of background noise, or if you wanna hold this close up to your mouth and not hear the P's and all the popping sounds and all that kind of stuff from your mouth. This will help prevent that as well. So to also help with clarity across all dynamic ranges, there's an auto limit clip protection on these microphones as well. So that helps you balance excessive volume levels to maintain consistency throughout your recording on your projects. And it's also got 120 decibels of sound pressure level. This is 48 kilohertz of sampling rate, 24-bit depth recording as well. Charges with USB-C. Currently in this recording, I'm using the microphone that came with my DJI Osmo Pocket 3, which is the DJI Mic 2. And you can see how big this microphone is in comparison to this microphone here. So this one's pretty big and bulky. This one's going to help a lot, and I think I should be able to use this with the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 and show you the difference in sound. And I do like this charging style case. They did keep the magnetic part of this case, so basically you can stick the components in there and nothing's gonna fall out if this thing were to tip over or anything. I do like that instead of having the case upright like the Lark M2s, that this case is more on the base, and what that does is allow you to rest it on a table without, it's less likely to fall over that way. So here is the USB-C option, and here is the lightning option. These are the receivers. These transmitters are a lot smaller, and the magnet is still very powerful. No clip on these, so it definitely looks like you need to use the magnet on this. I don't see anything in the packaging for a clip. It does come with this carrying case and some other accessories inside. Yep, so we've got the wind muffs here, or dead cats, and a cable, looks like data and charging. Hopefully this helps you guys make a decision on whether or not you want to purchase this microphone. I hope that it definitely gives you at least a better understanding of what you're getting into. Like I said, a reminder, there's no clip. This is all fully magnetic, and it's a lot smaller and more discreet. Let me take this dead cat off, pull the magnet out. You can see this, what it looks like here. And I'm just going to place this thing under my collar here, so you get a better idea of what that looks like. You can barely even see it here, and you can hear my voice pretty loud and clear, I'm assuming, because I see the volume meter up here, and it looks like it's picking up sound very well. So thanks for watching, guys, and I'll catch you on the next one.